In this video, I am going to talk about TCS. So what will be the future of TCS? Because in the short term, you can notice that there is a correction in the TCS price. So what will be the future? Currently, a falling will be happening, and there are lots of fall regularly. You can notice. Now today, Nifty and Sensex is also fall because of the bond yield. So what will, due to this, there is a globally pressure is available in the stock market. So on the 1/3/2021, what will be the your strategy for the TCS? So let's talk about these things in a detail. So if you look at the, first of all, we will do the technical analysis and try to understand that is it TCS is a good stock, and is it a good range to buy, or if you already buy it at the higher level, then what you have to do? You have to sell it or hold it. What step you can you take? So let's talk about these things. So currently RSI value is 32, which is RSI value is very less, and almost you can see oversold zone. Okay, and regularly I am creating the video on the TCS and suggesting you to buy, or maybe you can average out at this level, because no one knows when the reversal will be started. This RSI value is not come in the last, you can notice in the last 6 months or maybe more than that. At the time of the correction at the coronavirus lockdown situation, the RSI value was very less, but now that almost RSI value is coming at that level. Okay, at that level. So this is the right time to buy this stock. No need to worry about the recent falls. Recent maybe fall can be happen, and the next level is 200 2850. So this is a strong support. From this support, definitely seems like the reversal will be started. Now it's also need to think about the global market and how the market is behaving, how the Nifty and Sensex is behaving. Based on the people sentiment, you can decide, but again the current level is very attractive, and at this price point you can buy. Now, as you know, in the past, that if any correction is happen, after that there is a huge growth is happen. So any correction, and after that correction there is huge rally. So again this can happen on the one. So let's see what is happening. If correction will be still the people sentiment will be still continue, then you can avoid at that level. You have to wait to fall more, and then you can, after some times you can buy. But definitely this price point is very very attractive, and I hope that you will buy. We don't know that when market will start and what will be the level, and seems like from this level the reversal should be started, and if the next, before the next quarter, definitely you will get a good level, good profit in the TCS, because TCS is already in the, if you look at the 1 month chart, then already around 8% fall is happened. 8% is huge in this type of stock, TCS, because this is a large cap. It means low risk. It is one of the most important stock in the IT sector, and the number one stock you can say. So after this fall, definitely their reversal should be started. We don't know what is the sentiment of the market. Today the market sentiment is because of the selling pressure, this is come at this level, but this is very attractive price. You can buy, or maybe if you have already bought at the upper level, then you can average out. You can average out at this level if you have a fund. Otherwise you leave it as it is, because this type of stock can provide you the return in the next years. So it's a one type of locking period in this type of stock. You cannot expect much more return in a short period of time, because already growth is happened. Already it is a number one. So now when it will be go, since there is no such news is available in the IT sector. Based on the news, people are start buying, because everyone knows that TCS IT sector is already growing, everyone knows. So this news is not much more attractive. Nowadays, mid cap or small cap is growing much more, much more. You know, growth is happening. Why? Because people have a hope that in the next coming years these stock can provide you the multi bagger, but TCS is already multi bagger, it's already provided a multi bagger. That's why people are not much more interested in the TCS, but in the long run definitely you will get benefit, and it also have a low risk. Such type of stock like mid cap or small cap type stock, you can see a huge growth in their price, but again when the fall will happen, if any bad news will come, then at that time if fall will be happen, then you cannot come out from that. There will be huge fall, 10%, 15% and 20% normal fall can happen, and at that time you will stuck, and you will not know that when you will exit. But this type of stock, no need to worry. This is the fundamental very strong stock, strong company. Since there is no such news or no such a trigger point, that's why this type of stock, or not only TCS but most of the IT stock is falling. So at this price point you have to buy. And one important news, one important guess I can, that in the next coming years, or maybe in this quarter, after this quarter, in the second quarter, what will happen in the TCS can touch the price point new target with 36 or 37 or maybe 36. If this will touch the 3600 price point, then company can declare the bonus as well, and if company will declare the bonus, again there will be huge potential. This will come to the 1500 around, and after some times again it will be reached to this level. So according to the previous history, you can say that if this stock price will touch to the 36, then bonus you may get a bonus. That's the interesting thing. Okay, so you can expect the bonus as well. That's why this is a good time to invest in the all the fall. You have to invest some amount, and if you will already buy at the upper side and you have a cash, then you can average out. So this is the strategy. So TCS is a good stock, no need to worry. You can't expect much more return. You can expect a 12 to 20% return, and also have a low risk, so low reward. You can expect this much of profit, and it's also a huge as compared to others. This is a great return. So it seems good. And now if you look at the 1 year return, it's 41%. Since there is a huge potential, or due to rally in the coronavirus situation, people are start investing and the market goes up. That's why after the huge fall, that's why at this price point the market is correcting. So, and also no need to also you have to understand this consolidation phase. You can see this type of consolidation phase, you have to mentally prepared. See, this is also a consolidation phase. Okay, so you need to no need to worry about this. This is the nature of the stock. Sometimes it can consolidate. For example, if you notice the Hindustan Unilever, you know that Hindustan Unilever is one of the most important stock, because everyone knows, most of the people are utilizing the product of Hindustan Unilever. But if you look at the 1 year return, it is in the minus 3.26% return. Why consolidation phase? Because everyone knows that it's already growth is happened already. Huge growth is already happened, so they don't have such news that it trigger to increase this price, Hindustan Unilever price. However, this is a great stock. I am just showing you the example. This is a great stock, but still people are not interested to buying this stock because already growth has happened. Now where it will be go after that, after this price point? That's why people are not interested to buy in this type of stock, and now it is in the consolidation phase. But what if you buy the stock at this price point, then you can feel here the loss. But again, in the next coming years, definitely you will get a good return, or maybe after, maybe you can expect a good rally, a 20% 30% jump after maybe 1 or 2 years, after consolidation phase will be over, because the fundamentally strong stock Hindustan Unilever. That's why the TCS, you also need to understand that TCS is also the great stock, but right now currently no such news is available. That's why it is in the consolidation phase. No need to worry. You can buy at this price point, and this is almost bottom out. Bottom out, it means only you can do a buy. The sale is, you I cannot recommend you the sale, because at this price point, if you will sell this stock, then you will get a huge loss. Okay, no need to also, this type of stock TCS is a safe, and definitely we can hope in the next quarter there will be a huge growth, and maybe company can announce a bonus with the dividend. So let's see what is happening. I hope you understand. If you face any problem related to this, then please let us know.